The best 5 power-packed smoothie recipes for seniors. Ever wondered if a single glass could unlock a fountain of youth for your body and mind? Imagine sipping on a delicious, creamy smoothie that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also supercharges your health, boosts your energy, and keeps you feeling vibrant well into your golden years. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up because we're about to blend science, flavor, and fun into 5 power-packed smoothie recipes crafted specifically for seniors. These nutrient-dense drinks are designed to support brain health, strengthen bones, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling like you're ready to conquer the world, or at least the daily crossword puzzle. Curious yet? Let's explore these smoothies, uncover what makes them so effective, and learn how to whip them up in your kitchen. Ready to blend your way to better health? Let's get started. In this video, we'll dive into 5 smoothie recipes that are as tasty as they are nutritious, backed by research studies to prove their effectiveness. We'll break down what each smoothie contains, why it's a game changer for seniors, and how to incorporate these blends into your daily routine. With a whole lot of flavor, this video is your ticket to healthier, happier days. Please make sure you like this content so it gets noticed by the algorithm and recommended to viewers like you. So grab your blender and let's embark on this delicious journey to vitality. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why smoothies are a fantastic choice for seniors. As we age, our bodies require nutrient-dense foods to maintain energy, support muscle health, and combat age-related challenges like inflammation or cognitive decline. Smoothies are an easy, delicious way to pack a ton of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants into one glass. They're gentle on the digestive system, customizable to dietary needs, and perfect for those who might struggle with chewing or appetite loss. Plus, they're quick to make and fun to sip, because who says healthy eating can't be a party? Research backs this up. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases in older adults. Smoothies make it easy to consume these nutrient powerhouses in one go. Whether you're looking to boost brain health, strengthen bones, or simply feel more energized, these recipes are designed with seniors in mind. Curious about how these ingredients work their magic in your body? Keep watching this video because we're about to blend science with flavor. The first smoothie on our list is a Brain Booster Banana Avocado Delight. What's in it? 1 ripe banana, packed with potassium and vitamin B6, essential for heart health and brain function. Half avocado, loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. 1 cup almond milk, unsweetened. A creamy, low-calorie base rich in vitamin D and calcium. 1 TB chia seeds, a fiber and omega-3 powerhouse for digestion and brain health. 1 TSP honey optional for a touch of natural sweetness. Why? It's effective. Let's start with the star of this smoothie, the avocado. Its creamy texture isn't just indulgent, it's a brain-boosting superhero. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that the monounsaturated fats in avocados support cognitive function by improving blood flow to the brain. This is crucial for seniors, as it can help maintain memory and mental clarity. Meanwhile, bananas bring potassium to the party, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports nerve function, according to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Chia seeds add a dose of omega-3 fatty acids, which a 2018 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience linked to reduced cognitive decline. Together, this smoothie is like a hug for your brain, keeping you sharp and focused. Curious about how it feels to sip on brain fuel? Let's find out. Picture this. As you take your first sip, the creamy avocado coats your taste buds, delivering healthy fats that glide through your bloodstream, nourishing your brain cells. Meanwhile, the banana's potassium zips through your system, keeping your heart steady and your nerves firing on all cylinders. The chia seeds? They're like tiny cheerleaders, supporting digestion and ensuring your body absorbs every nutrient. By the time you finish this smoothie, your brain is practically doing cartwheels, ready to tackle that Sudoku puzzle or remember where you parked the car. How to make it. Peel and slice the banana. Scoop out the avocado flesh. Toss both into a blender with almond milk, chia seeds, and honey if using. Blend until smooth and creamy, about 30-45 seconds. Pour into a glass, sip, and feel your brain light up. Pro tip, add a handful of spinach for an extra vitamin K boost, perfect for bone health. Curious to try it? This smoothie is your ticket to sharper thinking and happier mornings. Smoothie number 2 on our list is Berry Bonanza. Antioxidant Explosion. What's in it? Half cup blueberries, bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C. Half cup strawberries, rich in folate and anti-inflammatory compounds. 1/4 cup raspberries, packed with fiber and vitamin K in 1 cup Greek yogurt, plain, unsweetened, a protein powerhouse for muscle health. Half cup water or coconut water, for hydration and a refreshing finish. Why? It's effective. Berries are the rock stars of the nutrition world, and this smoothie is their greatest hits album. A 2021 study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that the antioxidants in berries, particularly anthocyanins, can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to age-related cognitive decline. This makes them a must-have for seniors looking to stay sharp. Strawberries also bring folate, which supports brain health, while raspberries add fiber to keep your digestive system humming. Greek yogurt rounds it out with protein, which a 2017 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed is essential for maintaining muscle mass in older adults. Curious about how this vibrant blend can keep you youthful? Let's explore. As you sip this ruby red delight, the antioxidants in the berries go to work like tiny superheroes, neutralizing free radicals that can damage your cells. The folate from strawberries supports your brain's communication network, ensuring your thoughts stay clear and quick. Meanwhile, the protein from Greek yogurt fuels your muscles, giving you the strength to keep up with your grandkids or that morning yoga class. By the time you're done, your body feels like it's been to a spa day, refreshed, energized, and ready for action. How to make it? Rinse the berries thoroughly. Add blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt, and water to a blender. Blend until smooth, about 45 seconds. Pour into a glass and enjoy the antioxidant explosion. Pro tip: freeze the berries beforehand for a thicker, frostier smoothie. Ready to sip your way to a youthful glow? This recipe is calling your name. Smoothie number 3 is Green Powerhouse. What's in it? 1 cup spinach, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K for immunity and bone health. Half cup kale, a nutrient-dense green with calcium and antioxidants. Half green apple, adds natural sweetness and fiber. 1 cup coconut water, hydrates and provides electrolytes. 1 TBSP flax seeds, rich in omega-3s and lignans for heart health. Why it's effective? Don't let the green color fool you. This smoothie is a flavor-packed powerhouse. Spinach and kale are loaded with vitamin K, which a 2019 study in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research linked to improved bone density in seniors, reducing the risk of fractures. The vitamin C in spinach also boosts immunity, which is critical for older adults, according to research in nutrients. Green apples add fiber for digestive health, while flax seeds bring omega-3s that support heart health, as shown in a 2020 study in Circulation. Curious about how greens can taste so good? Let's blend and find out. As you take your first sip, the spinach and kale deliver a surge of vitamins that strengthen your bones and boost your immune system. The green apple's fiber keeps your digestive system running smoothly, while the coconut water hydrates every cell, leaving you feeling refreshed. The flax seeds? They're like little heart protectors, ensuring your ticker stays strong. By the time you finish this smoothie, your body is practically singing with vitality, ready to take on the day. How to make it? Wash the spinach and kale thoroughly. Core and chop the green apple. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth, about 45 seconds. Pour into a glass and sip the green goodness. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon juice for a zesty kick and extra vitamin C. Ready to embrace the power of greens? This smoothie is your new best friend. Smoothie number 4 is Tropical Turmeric Treat. What's in it? 1 cup pineapple chunks, rich in vitamin C and manganese for joint health. 1 banana, provides potassium and natural sweetness. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, or 1 inch fresh turmeric root, a potent anti-inflammatory. 1 cup coconut milk, creamy and full of healthy fats. A pinch of black pepper, enhances turmeric's bioavailability. Why it's effective? This tropical delight is like a vacation in a glass. Turmeric is the star here, thanks to its active compound, curcumin, which a 2022 study in Arthritis Research and Therapy found can reduce joint pain and inflammation in seniors. Pineapple adds vitamin C and manganese, which support collagen formation and joint health, according to the Journal of Nutrition. Bananas? Keep your heart happy with potassium, and the coconut milk provides a creamy texture and healthy fats. Curious about how a smoothie can taste like paradise and fight inflammation? Let's find out how it works in your body. As you sip this golden elixir, the curcumin in turmeric teams up with black pepper to reduce inflammation, soothing those achy joints. The pineapple's vitamin C works to repair tissues, while the banana's potassium keeps your muscles relaxed and your heart steady. The coconut milk's healthy fats ensure your body absorbs all these nutrients efficiently. By the time you finish, you're practically glowing with tropical energy, ready to dance through your day. How to make it. Peel and slice the banana. Add pineapple, banana, turmeric, coconut milk, and a pinch of black pepper to a blender. Blend until smooth, about 30-45 seconds. Pour into a glass and enjoy the tropical vibes. Pro tip: add a slice of fresh ginger for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Ready to sip your way to less joint pain? This smoothie is pure sunshine. Smoothie number 5 is protein-packed peanut butter chocolate bliss. What's in it? 1 TBSP natural peanut butter, packed with protein and healthy fats. 1 banana adds potassium and creaminess. 1 TBSP unsweetened cocoa powder, rich in flavonoids for heart health. 1 cup oat milk, unsweetened, a fiber-rich base with a creamy texture. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, optional, boosts muscle-building protein. Why it's effective? Who says healthy can't taste like dessert? This smoothie is a decadent treat that's secretly good for you. Peanut butter and protein powder deliver a hefty dose of protein, which a 2018 study in the Journal of Gerontology found is critical for maintaining muscle mass in seniors. Cocoa powder brings flavonoids, which a 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked to improved heart health. Bananas add potassium, and oat milk provides fiber for digestive health. Curious about how a chocolatey smoothie can be so good for you? Let's blend it up. As you sip this indulgent blend, the protein from peanut butter and protein powder fuels your muscles, keeping you strong and active. The cocoa's flavonoids work to improve blood flow, ensuring your heart stays happy. The banana's potassium keeps your muscles relaxed, while the oat milk's fiber supports a healthy gut. By the time you finish, you're not just satisfied, you're ready to lift weights or at least lift your spirits. How to make it. Peel and slice the banana. Add banana, peanut butter, cocoa powder, oat milk, and protein powder if using to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, about 45 seconds. Pour into a glass and indulge in chocolatey bliss. Pro tip: sprinkle a few cacao nibs on top for a crunchy, antioxidant-rich garnish. Ready to treat yourself to a healthy dessert? This smoothie is calling your name. So there you have it. 5 power-packed smoothie recipes that are as delicious as they are nutritious, designed to help seniors thrive. From the brain-boosting avocado delight to the chocolatey peanut butter bliss, each smoothie is a step toward better health, backed by science and bursting with flavor. Curious about how these blends will transform your energy, mood, and vitality? There's only one way to find out. Head to your kitchen, fire up that blender, and start sipping your way to a healthier you. Which smoothie are you blending first? Drop a comment below and let us know how it turns out. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.